once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're doing a really simple, really simple cabbage and potatoes. Very few ingredients. It is absolutely delicious. This is vegan, healthy, vegetarian. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. White cabbage, which I've just cut. You can shred it thin or do what I've done, it's a little bit more chunky, up to you. Garlic, ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. It's like kind of 2 teaspoons there. Turmeric, like a nice heaped teaspoon for this amount, by the way. Some fresh chili, some sliced onions, and here I've got our potatoes. They've been peeled and washed. And what I've done just for speed today is I've parboiled them, so still, they're pretty hard. You wouldn't want to eat those. So they've just been put into some boiling water, just salted water, for about just 3 or 4 minutes. That's about it. We're going to start this off with some oil, and we're going to add some salt and pepper. Okay, so here we are. I've got a pan here with some oil in. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could be using something like olive oil if you wanted. We're simply going to get our sliced onions in. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste, some black pepper, and then what we're going to do is we're going to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes on their own, and then we can move on to the next step. So as you can see, our onions have just changed colour and are coming together, softening nicely. At this point, I'm now going to add in our garlic ginger paste. Or you could just be using chopped garlic and ginger if you wanted, by the way. I'm going to add in our fresh chili, which is optional. Most of you regular to the channel will know we like spice here. But that's entirely up to you what you put in. Then I'm going to add our turmeric. And then very simply, we're going to put in our potatoes and our cabbage. Now, if you were using, let me just grab a spoon. If you were using raw potatoes, you might want to put them in first, and you may have to add a little bit of water to get them on the go. That's kind of why I've kind of parboiled them a little bit. So we're going to now, on a medium heat, just throw this around in the pan, and we're going to cook it for about 6 minutes, I would say. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, this is looking wonderful. Simply, we're going to add a touch of water now. Just like a glass of water. As you can see, not too much. We're going to lower the heat, and all you want to do now is get your potatoes ready. So in my case, it's going to be about 4 or 5 more minutes. Then we're going to check it for salt, and it's done. It's a really simple dish, this one, but really delicious. Okay, off goes the heat there. And as you can see, we've only got a tiny amount of moisture in there now. Now these potatoes are cooked just how I like them. Check that for salt. And that's done. Really simple, actually. It's really tasty, much more tasty than it possibly looks even. It's very good. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.